All right, we have one more thing in the second section of factoring, and that is going in reverse. So instead of solving something by factoring, actually taking the solutions that are given, writing the factors that go with it, and then writing the equation. So here's what we know. If we're writing equation from roots, first of all, I can use all of these words interchangeably. So the word root, the word solution, the word zero, even y-intercept, all of those words mean the exact same thing. They are the values that make the equation true. And we can use this zero product property. So if I give you solutions, I can write a quadratic equation from it. So here's what the problems will look like. You will be given the list of the two solutions, and it will always be two solutions. And from those solutions, you're going to write the factor that goes with it, and then you're going to multiply those factors together. So if you know that -3 is a solution or a root, the factor that goes with it is x plus 3. If you know that 5 is a solution or a root, then that means the factor that goes with it is x minus 5. You will be asked when you do delta math to multiply these together and write your answer in standard form. So you will have to FOIL after you write them. So when I FOIL, first would be x squared, outer would be -5x, inner would be 3x, and last would be -15. You will have middle terms to combine. So your final answer in standard form is x squared minus 2x minus 15. I don't think on delta math you have to write the equal 0. I think you just have to write the standard form. For the next one, if my solutions are +7 and -7, that means one of my factors is x plus 7 and one of my factors is x minus 7. When you FOIL that together, you're going to get x squared. Your outer and your inner will cancel because one's going to be a -7x and one's going to be +7x. So you don't even have to write that down. You can go straight to the last. 7 times -7 is -49. Next one, my first root is -5, so my factor is x plus 5. If it is a fractional root, this number is going to be the coefficient of x, so your denominator would be 7x, and then it's always the opposite sign, so it's going to be minus the 6 that's in the numerator. And if you're not sure about that, you can kind of go in reverse, just make sure that makes sense. You're going to FOIL it, so x times 7x is 7x squared. Your outer is -6x. Your inner is 35x. And your last is -30. You're going to combine your x terms. So you have 7x squared. 35 minus 6 is 29. So plus 29x minus 30 is your standard form answer. Same thing with the last one. If -2 is one of your roots, you're going to write x plus 2. And then if it's -3 over 2, you're going to put the 2 in front of the x. You're going to use the opposite sign. So it's going to be plus 3. Those are the two factors that go with the two roots. And then you're going to FOIL. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times 3 is 6. And then you're going to combine your middle terms to get it in standard form. So you have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6. So that's the last part of the lesson. I will give you two roots. Delta Math will give you two roots. I'll just list them. And then the directions are to be able to write the factors, FOIL it together, and then type your answer in standard form.